Caught up in the middle of an environmental disaster, people in the U.S. state of Arkansas are finding themselves bogged down in barrels of trouble. Almost a year after a pipeline rupture caused a massive oil spill, people are still suffering with the long-term effects caused by breathing toxins on a daily basis. And if huge health risks weren't enough, some are finding it hard to leave the contaminated area, as RT's Gayane Chichakyan found out.
Almost a year after 200,000 gallons of heavy crude spilled onto their streets, residents of Mayflower in Arkansas are striving to leave the town.
Here in Mayflower, for sale signs are everywhere. Almost every house on this street is on sale. Before the spill, this was a place where people wanted to move in, to enjoy the beautiful nature around. Many didn't even know there was a pipeline running under their houses, and now they just want out.
Many have already left, and Gerald, one of them.
I tried to stay here. I tried to just be away, as much as I could, but if it rained, I could not stay here because it would all seep up through the oil again, where the ground was dry. It would kind of, encase it, and then when it rained, all those vapors would come back again.
She says, like many other residents of Mayflower, she started having constant headaches and coughing after the spill.
I have friends that live just behind me that are still here. They don't have a place to go. They have small children.
You don't have to look at the kids in 20 years when they get sick or find out something's wrong and they say, well, why didn't we leave, Mom? Why'd everybody else leave? Well, some people just aren't able to pick up and leave like that.
Exxon wrote back to us saying that a unified command comprised of Exxon representatives as well as officials from the state and federal environmental services has deemed all areas affected by the Mayflower spill now safe to live in. But many of the residents don't buy it, and their homes are not selling.
I would say that the number of homes sold in Mayflower has dropped by at least 50 to 60%.
But Arkansas oil spill is only a fraction of annual pipeline leaks. It's estimated that between 2008 and 2012, U.S. pipelines spilled an average of more than 3.1 million gallons of hazardous liquids per year. Plans for the Keystone XL pipeline, a massive project that would stretch from Canada's oil sands to refineries in Texas, have caused many to worry that they may become collateral damage in the way of big oil, like the residents of Mayflower, Arkansas.
There's a lot of us that have been forgotten. We're just collateral damage.
In Mayflower, I'm Chichakyan, RT.